The first step to kickstarting your Amazon FBA seller journey is visiting sellercentral.amazon.com. Scroll down and hit the sign up button. But wait, be aware there are two ways to sell on Amazon. You can go pro with a $39.99 monthly account packed with extra features that we will dive into later. Or you can start with a free individual account paying just 99 cents per item sold. However, if you are planning to sell 40 or more items, the professional account is your best bet. I'll also reveal the top 5 people get denied or banned from selling on Amazon. So make sure to stick around to learn how to avoid these common pitfalls and ensure a smooth application for your Seller Central account. Thinking about going for the professional plan? Just click sign up right here. But if you're leaning more towards an individual account, which I will lean more into later in this video, click learn more, scroll to the bottom and hit sign up. To become an individual seller, they tend to tuck this option away, but it's a nifty hack to save money when you're just starting out with your Amazon Seller Central account. Plus, you can always upgrade to a professional selling plan later in the future. Alternatively, you can sign up now for the professional selling plan. If, for example, you don't sell any products for a few months, there's a little known trick you can use. Just contact seller support and say, hey, I haven't sold anything for the past 3 months. Can I get a refund for the seller account fee? They're usually quite accommodating. Also, here's a pro tip. Make sure to set up your Amazon seller account a few months before actually you plan to start selling. There can be delays in the approval process, and there are other things that could come up during that time. By getting a head start, you will ensure everything is ready to go when you're prepared to launch your product. Trust me, you will be glad you did. Once you're ready, click sign up. Now, this leads me to one of the most crucial steps in the entire tutorial. Make sure you hit the like button because I'm about to share one of the top reasons why people get banned from selling on Amazon. One of the most common pitfalls is that people either started an Amazon selling account a few years ago and forgot about it, or already have an Amazon account. When they try to start a new one, Amazon flags it, saying, hold on, are you trying to create a second account? This isn't always allowed. However, there are a specific situation where it is permitted. For instance, if you have a legitimate new business or your business needs to start a new account, Amazon will usually allow it. They've become a bit more lenient over the years, especially if you have a new business. So it is often worth starting a new account in such cases. However, if you already have an existing account that you've sold maybe previously, I strongly recommend contacting Amazon support to find out how you can get that account fixed. Taking these steps can help you avoid unnecessary complications and ensure a smooth start on Amazon. If you have an old account that you used to sell on Amazon or already have an Amazon seller account, I recommend logging in at this point and using that account. However, if you're creating a new account for your business, click Create Amazon Account. You will then need to enter your name, email, and password. For those new to the channel, my name is Cam Jam. I'm a full-time entrepreneur and have been selling on Amazon for over a year now. I am passionate about building an e-commerce business and understand that this journey can't be done alone. We all need mentors and experienced people in the business to learn from. I want to be that person for you. Helping you get started on your journey will avoid the mistakes I made. By sharing my lessons, I aim to make it much easier for you. If you have any question during this video, leave a comment below and I will respond to each one of them. A crucial tip for when signing up to your Amazon Seller Central account is to avoid using a Gmail or Yahoo email. While you can use them and it might work just fine, it is more professional to use your business email if you have one. This shows Amazon that you're a serious business owner and increases your chances of being seen as a valuable seller on the platform. One common reason Amazon denies seller accounts is the lack of perceived legitimacy. After entering your password, click Next. They will ask for a phone number, which should be straightforward. If you don't have one or have already used your phone number with a different account, you can get a Google Voice number. You will receive a one-time password on your phone to enter and click Create Amazon Account. I have a complete checklist of everything you need before starting your Amazon account. It will be linked above or below. Besides an email address and phone number, you will need more serious information like business details and a valid contact address. Ensure you have all necessary paperwork, a mobile or telephone number, a chargeable credit card. Do not use a debit card, use a credit card, as this will lead to a account suspension without any explanation. Use a legitimate credit card, and at the end of this process they will ask for identification such as a driver license or an ID or your passport, and I'll walk you through this step by step, pointing out common mistakes that could get you in trouble or prevent you from selling on Amazon. First, select your business location, which for me is the United States. However, you can sign up to selling on Amazon from almost anywhere in the world. I will cover this in more detail throughout the video, but if you want a dedicated video on starting on Amazon seller account from outside the United States, hit the like button and subscribe button. If this video gets a significant number of interest, I will make a video on that topic specifically. Next, select the entity type of your business. If you're unsure, choose None. I'm just an individual seller. You can still sell on Amazon without a formal business structure using your social security if you're in the United States. If you're outside the United States, I recommend setting up an LLC. You can use a site like wyregisteredagent.net to set up an LLC in Wyoming, a great place for this purpose if you're outside of the United States. Another option could be Delaware. LegalZoom can also help with creating an LLC. Links to these services are below. I've used LegalZoom to set up both a DBA and an LLC. A DBA, or doing business as, is a cheaper way to start a business, but offers no legal protection. An LLC, or limited liability company, is more expensive but separates your business from personal assets, protecting you if someone sues your business for some reason. Most of you will select privately owned business. Enter your business name and confirm that your business location type and other details are correct. Then scroll down and click Agree and Continue. They'll ask for your company registration number, usually your EIN or Employer Identification Number. To get an EIN for free and quickly, visit the IRS website. The link is below. Fill out the information and you'll receive an EIN number within minutes. Enter that number and your registered business address, which can be your home address if that's where your business is registered. If you're outside the United States, hire a company to be your registered agent. They'll provide an address for a small fee, and you can have a virtual business address. Enter your business phone number, which can be your personal phone number, and verify it via a message or SMS. You'll need a valid bank account number that Amazon can deposit and withdraw money from. If you don't have a business bank account, set one up using your business paperwork. I recommend US Bank for a free business accounts if you're in the United States. However, if you're outside the US, use Payoneer or World First Bank. The bank account name should match your registration name. Upload a bank statement for verification. Next, provide your credit card information. Avoid using a debit card or prepaid card. If you can't get a credit card, subscribe for future videos on this topic. Enter your credit card details and click Next. Choose your store name, which could be broad to allow the future product expansion. You can change it later. For now, I'm going to use Jamtastic Unlimited for my store name, and this store name is available. They'll ask if you have UPC codes for your products. UPC codes are barcodes for products. You can get them from gs1.org for about $30 each. Having a UPC code before starting your Amazon seller account is recommended. They'll also ask about diversity certifications, which you can add later if applicable. Indicate if you're the manufacturer or the brand owner of the products you'll sell on Amazon. If you're selling your product, click yes. If you're doing wholesale or retail arbitrage, click no. Private label means putting your brand on a manufacturer's product, and selling a passion product means creating something unique to you. If you choose yes, they will ask if you have a registered trademark. While it's not required, trademark gives you access to brand registry with Amazon, and it enhances your brand content, protecting your listing and providing more features. Start the trademark process as soon as possible. Before submitting, know that Amazon may ask for additional documents such as a utility bill, and if you can't provide one, I'll discuss alternatives in a future videos. Changing account details like bank information after approval is a red flag for Amazon, potentially leading to suspension or banning. Be patient and professional when interacting with Amazon. Rushing or persisting them can lead to delays or denial. Starting your Amazon account is just the first step. For detailed guides, success stories, and more, be sure to subscribe to my YouTube channel. Together, let's navigate the complexities of selling on Amazon and unlock the potential for remarkable success.